We've been having some time to reflect. Tazo's hard at work on her phone there.
You guys?
And we just going back to how many years we've been doing this for. Slowly building a foolproof community system that is about not only the cannabis industry and the stores that make up Route 420, but also all the interviews we've done, all the spaces in between what we do are really what it's all about. It's about what happens in between Route 420 and the cannabis industry lifestyle network, for lack of a better word. I'm driving through the cradle at the moment, thinking of all the experiences that happen in between our authenticated network, and having spoken to all these people and getting everybody to onboard and create something meaningful, dynamic and long-lasting. I had the option a while back to use AI, and we would integrate AI, of course, at some point in time, because who wouldn't? It's a necessary part of the future. But I chose instead to do it the authentic way and build old style software, and just because it should be done like that. Good systems take years to build, and good people take years to meet. So for me, it's a journey of discovery myself. It's an opportunity to meet so many amazing people, both in stores as well as inside backpackers facilities, 5-star hotels, and all these guys that are doing business with us. And I'm looking forward to the whole community effort to make something last for the next 100 years. So I think if anybody's going to do something, they should do it to try and stick it into history. And that's what it's. What do you think, Taz? Am I on the right
keep it
path?
human, because we're human and people spend too much time on their phones. So I'm glad that we're creating smoke signals so people can go and meet, find people, put their phones down and enjoy the moment. That's the whole point of smoke signals, to connect you in real life. So you're not all just sitting behind our phones staring at pictures all day, hoping we're there. Go there, be there, meet people and connect. Yeah, make it human, keep it human. We're humans.
We are, eh?
Yeah.
We're not robots yet, eh?
Not yet.
Alright guys, we're going to keep telling you stories today as we drive, right?